How to delete YouTube watch history on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down, then tap on more privacy settings. Now in here, scroll down, then tap on activity controls. And in here, you want to scroll down. So I'll go back in here. So it is still in YouTube history. So I'll go back. And in activity controls, you scroll down. And in the YouTube history section, go all the way down and then tap on manage history. This will open up YouTube history. And from here, tap on the delete button. Or scroll down. You need to verify your account before your YouTube history detail will be revealed. Okay, once you have done with the verification, if you scroll down, it will show today or your activity for today. So you can tap on the delete on each of the items here. So scroll down and watch delete on the videos that you want to delete or remove. Otherwise, you can tap on the drop down and choose delete today, delete by custom range, or delete all time. So you can choose a date range, or you can delete everything. And that's it. So that is how you can delete your YouTube watch history on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.